Now that makes a lot more sense. That's why them niggas be, you see them niggas sitting. Of course, it does a sound a lot better as well. But that's why you see those niggas who sit and stream have a microphone sitting in front of them. I'm learning, man. I'm learning, man. I'm new to being a PC owner. Oh shit! You got alerts getting hit. Oh, the alert didn't get hit. Send this out to the squad real quick. Send this out to the squad real quick. I don't know why my shit is moving so slow. That's because this Steam shit is loading. All right. Let's get it. My bad, my bad. What's good? What's good? Is it better now? You said say something, bro. My fault, bro. I was just sitting here chilling. It should be better, but then again, this mic low key not for my computer. Oh, that's a bet. That's a bet. Shit, the app for the microphone popped up on the computer automatically, so shit, it should be working. Oh, okay, bet. That's a big bet. All right, man. What the fuck? What am I looking at right now? This may be just a lick here. All right, y'all. Let me share my screen and we're gonna get into these markets. Okay? Entire screen one. Yes. Yes. There we go. Hey, y'all let me know. Can y'all see like when I go, so like when I come over here to trading view, can y'all still see the picture? Like is the picture still down there? Because if so, that shit hard. But let's get into it though. Let's get into it. Y'all let me know though. If y'all when I come over here, do the picture, do it still show like my camera? That's trippy. All right. So my bad for pushing the overview back. I ain't gonna lie. I just had a busy ass day, and I literally didn't get to go to the gym until right, right before I sent that text. Like I sent that text to the chat when I was at the gym, and I probably got home at I was flying to the crib, bro. I'm talking about. I think literally from the time my tires hit the freeway to the time I got off the freeway, I was going like at least 90 at the very least. Like nigga didn't slow down not one time. But yeah, man, I knew I had to run this call, so I was trying to hurry up and get back over here and shit. And then my my PC was being all slow, and then the audio was fucking up. But hey, we made it. And I'm not gonna lie, I think AUD USD is the first thing I want to look at, and it's simply just because I want y'all to look at what's going on here. Like this consolidation is crazy. We caught the same move twice. One, two, three. TPs, boom, boom, boom. Um, but now as you can see, the market is really just bouncing, but it's respecting the zone. And now that it hit the zone one, two, three times, this shit probably gonna keep dropping. Like start dropping, I guess you could say. And another indication in that would be let me give me 1 second. Let me move this out the way. So this I'll move this out the way too. So this zone right here, let me see, where's my square at? This zone right here. Actually, let me use this first. This zone, boom. See that zone? That's my 786, 886 from this low to this high, right off my Fibonacci tool. If I go ahead and grab a fib, boom, boom, last low, last high, boom. And what happened? We came down to that zone. As you can see, market trouble down, boom, hit that zone. We took the trade. I think I missed it the first time, but I caught it when it came back, gave us a double tap. We took it, ran for all our TPs off that trade, and then came back. We took it again, and it ran and hit all three again. And then now check it out. This is what I want to point out off of the 4 hour time frame. As you can see, I got my highs and my lows marked up, right? So yeah, I still need this. Let me get rid of this one. I don't know what that's right there. If you take a look here, this zone right here is just 786, 886. Bounced, bounced. We still playing in that zone, right? And look what happened. We came all the way to the 886. We respected the 886. So that's low key an indication. Okay, this market does want to try to move back up. But what did it do? It still played in that 786, 886 on the other side around. So from high point right here to what would be the low point? This point right here would be the lowest point. Boom. You know what I'm saying? That's the lowest point. Why? Because that was the lowest point right there. See that? We'll go high, low, high, low. I won't even count that as a low, right? I'll literally would count this as the next low right here. Simply just because and I would move that there. That's the high right there. So high, low. And I want to lose my train of thought. Okay, so basically what I want to point out is from I need this. So we're going down. So same shit on this other on the other end on the other end. Oh, did that come from this one? Yeah, that came from this one. I put that there because I put that there before this happened. But same shit. This is actually ugly because this is high. I guess you could. I guess you could go. I guess you could go off the highest point. Now, if you went off the highest point, that's what that zone is from. So if I went off of just be my daily time frame, right? Damn, that shit got ugly as soon as I zoomed out. Get all that out of there. Okay. We honestly don't need these. We don't need these either. in that zone. We don't need. So, based off of my daily from high, low, boom, supply. Taking a look, what do we do? We did the same shit we did at the bottom. Went to that 886 and tapped it, boom, and we failed to sweep these highs. What does that mean? We're gonna continue lower. We really could have caught the sales in here too. I just wasn't looking for sales because what is this market doing? Trending. See what I'm saying? Like that's why I wasn't looking for sales. But let's take a look. I really think. Oh yeah, that's what I said before I even started talking about that. So boom, what did it do? It came up in that zone, respected 886 and dropped. What is it doing? Coming right back to the 786, 886. But honestly, like I said, I think this shit gonna keep dropping. I think this time it's gonna finally make that retracement. But we'll see what happens here. Um, I really want to see what it does in this zone again. I want to see if it respects the same thing or even from here, this right here. If oh shit, yeah, if it respects this right here, see how them just double up on each other? That's so crazy. If it respects that, what is that? The 1 hour time frame? Yeah. So it's gonna come test this, and this will be the final test for it if it's gonna continue lower or move up. So I'm not messing with it. We caught the pit. We caught 100 150, 175. I think we caught 175 on this one. So I'm not too fucked up about taking it again. Not just yet, at least. Like I want to see what it does right here. Um, but overall, we already know market is bearish. We're moving into that zone of demand right here. And if you just take a look, like market is oh shit, I didn't even do that. Market is constantly just bouncing off of that. Look at that. Just came down, boom, boom, trying to come down again. But we'll see. Didn't even make it to the 886 on the 1 hour from this low point to this high point here. So maybe it does continue higher. But like I just feel like that's moving very weird and ugly. I'm just gonna keep it a buck because for this market to do this right here, boom, 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 and then retrace, okay, and it made the full retracement already. Typically, once it makes the full retracement, it does the impulse up. It made the impulse up, and I guess you could say it swept these highs here, but didn't even come close to these highs here, right? It actually respected the 886, 786 on these highs over here. So maybe it does continue lower, and it gives us like an something like this, like to where it starts coming down into what is that? Mm. Hold on, let me move this so y'all can actually see that. So this is kind of like a learning moment too. I use this tool to kind of determine where the market is at as well, like based off of if it's going to continue, if the trend is going to continue, right? And so this is how I know if the trend is going to continue, right? So say like if I take this vertical line and none of this happened yet, nothing over here happened. I'm just looking at this right here from here, right? And I take this and I go, okay, bet this is my last high right here. Boom. Now I get two indications here now. Two indications are telling me, let me see this real quick. Let me grab this little tool right here. Y'all can see my screen, right? Yeah. Y'all can see my screen. I'm tripping. Okay, so so I got two indications. One is based off this low here. What did market do? It made another little boom impulse up, respected this high, came back down. But what did it do? Boom, break a structure. So we get a break of structure, and then we get after the break of structure this 236 zone right here. There's a reason why this level is on the fib, right? All these levels, there's a reason for these. They all telling you something, right? And the reason what this the what did I say? The purpose for the 236 is to let you know that when the market is in a full retracement. And so based off of this high to low, right? We hit this 236, and what do? We travel lower. Boom. Came up, retested that breaker structure, nasty. And what we do? Come right down to the 786, 886 off of this impulse here. I was gonna just drag this up, but I'm off for the big right here. 786, 886 right there. Boom. So, oh shit, didn't even know that. But yeah, that's just a little learning moment. I just want to show y'all that right there. Kind of let you know, like when you can see, okay, boom, the market is changing. When you get the breaker structure, boom. What did it do after the breaker structure? Or wait, where am I? Yeah, right here. Boom, breaker structure. Boom, travel down. What did it do? Even right here on this low point, high point. This is crazy. Look at this. Say you on this smaller time frame, like the 1 hour, right? And you boom, 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 boom. You marking these highs and lows, right? Where you in a trade, right? And you like, okay, boom, we making impulses up. And it makes that final impulse up. This is how you could be like, this is when you know, okay, this market is in a retracement here. Because what did it do? Let's zoom in. I just want y'all to see structure real quick. I think this might start clicking for y'all real soon, for real. It's everything is it's just structure. Like if you can identify the structure, I promise you can make a lot of money. Like, well, and control your emotions. If you could identify the structure and control your emotions, you can make a lot of money. I promise you. But and even if it's not a lot of money or you don't desire to make a ton of money from trading, you'll you'll reap the benefits of the market. Let's just say that. But let's take a look. So what we got here? Boom. Made this high, made this low, lower, I mean, higher low, right, 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 higher low. Boom. Made an impulse up, respected that high. That's kind of telling us something. Maybe we're going to start traveling lower now. What do we do? Shit. I already had it. Okay. Boom. What do we do here? Break the structure here. Come back, retest the breaker structure, and boom, sink down to where? 786, 886. And that's literally where I took the trade. Boom, I told you I'll get in. We took it, got right. Boom, took it again, got right again. No cap. But let's go ahead and take a look at, do I want to trade GA? GA is moving ugly, very ugly. But I think this thing is going to start dropping. Look at it. Look at it. I just see higher lows. I mean, higher lows, lower highs. Um, look, boom, boom, boom. Never mark that low, that next low until this low gets taken out. That low didn't get taken out until when? Boom, you made this low here. Now, huh, it's just so ugly. Like I'm not even gonna touch it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really look at what GU doing, because GU be moving. If you've traded GU before with me, you know GU be moving. Sorry, y'all. I'm be eating this shit on the call, man, because your boy, your boy prepping for a show, and your boy had a busy ass day. So it's my last meal of the day. Um, it's a 1 hour. Slide to the daily real quick. I always slide to the daily because I'm looking at this fresh. Like I ain't looked at GU at all, right? I ain't traded GU probably since like, oh shit, that's a lot of days. Probably since like November, honestly. But even back then, I was still trading AU more. AU is my bread and butter. That's why I be smacking that boy. But we gonna go ahead and go look at GU though. GU begin. GU will get you right. I promise. It be moving. Let's look. So what do we got here? The trend is what? Somebody tell me, man. Y'all let me know. Let me know what the trend looking like. I'll tell you. We got here. Boom. Ooh. I'm actually gonna mark this right here. Why? Why am I gonna mark this right here? Because what do we do? This is the this is the lowest low before making a new high, right? Boom. So all this is just noise in between here, right? Now what do we do here? This is our next low, but what happened? We never took out this high. We never took out this high. Ooh, but we did come smack that 7 8. I wouldn't say smack. I would say tapped. I guess I could tighten up the fib too, just to see if it really did hit it. But um, I'll move it right there. Yeah, I'll move it right there. Yeah, no, it didn't, but it's respecting that zone, and I guarantee it didn't even come close to. Mm, I guarantee it didn't even come close to. Where did I just go? I came from here to here. It came. It came and all. I know it. I know it. I know it hit right here. Yeah, I knew it hit right here. Boom. Beautiful. That actually would have been a beautiful buy up. No cap. When was that? Oh, that was October. That's a minute ago. But what are we doing now? We're still moving up. We're trying to find some upward momentum. We about to mark these highs and lows on a smaller time frame in this little box I'm in right now. Yeah, from that. I wouldn't even. Yeah, I come from this low. Yeah, I come from this low. Right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's take a look. What do we have here, man? Miss GU. Yeah, I'm not marking that. Why? Uh, well, I guess I will mark that. And the only reason why I say, oh, well, no, I'm not marking that. Reason for it, ah, I can't mark that. I can't. I can't. I want to, but I can't. Yeah, no. This is just noise right here. All the way up. Boom. That's that high. That's that low. Look at it. It's clear as day on that 4 hour time frame. Man, it just be noise for real. A whole lot of noise. Put it there. Boom. What happened next? A lot of noise. Makes this high, low. High point gets taken out. Low. High point gets taken. But what happens now? Oh shit. Oh shit. What do we have here? Can I see this live and clear? Yeah, I can. That's slide into that 1 hour real quick. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Why are you doing this for me right now? Look at the beautiful retest of this breakup structure. We get what, guys? What do we have here? Y'all let me know what y'all see. What y'all see here. Cause this is what I see. I see a break, a retest. Oh my lord. We might have to slide on it. We might have to slide on it. Come on now. I can't resist it. I can't resist it. And I'll throw 20 pips at it. I won't even go to full 30 pips. I throw 20 pips at it. Just because that it looks so nice, I just can't resist it. Mm, mm. That's a nasty one right there. Let's check out this little what would you call this right here? This little garbage, this rubbish in the middle. It's what is it doing? I can't wait to break down Bitcoin because when Bitcoin be doing little bullshit like this, I kind of be like, I just be trapped in the market. Is all I do, literally. And what I mean by trap in the market is I literally do on a small time frame what I do on a large time frame to find my entry. That's how sometimes like I can actually get like a wick entry or I can get a just a very, very good entry to where like it's either like nigga you're in profit or you're about to hit stop loss. Like no cap. My bad, y'all. 1 second. Going off this small time frame. Mm, would you count that? I can't. I don't think I can. I think that respected that 886. Yeah, it did. This is my 886 right here. And look how the 786 falls like right on that fucking breaker structure. That's crazy. So it's respected that zone not once, not twice, but 3 times. What does that tell you? We should now continue lower. And what is this telling me? That I need to find an entry. So let's take a look. Boom, 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 boom. So this right here. Okay, okay. Damn, it already happened. We would have to execute it right now.
If I executed it right now, that's gonna add how many pips? My stop loss stay the same. Or did it move with the thing? It moved with the thing, didn't it? Oh no, it stay right there. Oh, 5 more pips. You damn right. I'll risk it. How y'all feel about that? How y'all feel about that? Just take a look at this. This is a 1 hour time frame analysis. We can take this whole thing for the whole swing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That sounded a lot better before it came out. I ain't gonna cap that. That sounded like mad crazy, mad diabolical. My fault. My fault, gang. My fault. My fault. But take a look at this. I might be able to give y'all a little trade right now. Look at this. I'm not even. There's no might to it. We about to catch this. I need all of that. I need all them pips. I guess I'll put it right here. I'll take 190. Really, I'll take 175 just so I'm not that greedy. You know what I'm saying? But we finna catch this and then we cap. I'm gonna send it out to the squad too. Oh shit. So I'm getting in there right now. It's GBP USD. Let's sell by market. I'm gonna give y'all this stop loss and TPs real quick. We're gonna take that first TP for, of course, our 1-to-2 ratio. Just to get a little bag on the ass. 55. Go probably 100 after that. I'll go 110 after that, and then 175 to finish it off. That's so beautiful. I think this is a beautiful trade right here. Sometimes the market moves ugly, sometimes it actually moves beautifully until it doesn't. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna sell that like ASAP. Um, like right now, right now, and I'm about to send it to the squad like right now, right now. So y'all can go ahead and sell GBP USD, GBP USD, sell by market. Make sure you are using proper risk management, please. Let me hurry up and send this out. I'm be moving so slow sometimes when it comes to the signals. And that shit trying to drop. I'm just gonna drop the image first. And then I'm gonna send a parameter so everybody can get in a trade right away. Because if I just type in that, I be typing so slow sometimes, bro. Niggas gonna be so mad. Bro, this big ass stop loss. No, the stop loss not big. You just got in the trade late because I was being slow sending it. I be trying to be like on point with the signals for y'all, man. It's crazy how many people like don't take signals for real though. Like I'm very aware of how many people don't take signals, but it's cool though. We about to get right. We about to there's about to be more stuff included into the server for people to be able to kind of know automatically what they should be doing. Because I feel like that's another reason why people don't be doing it. It's just because they don't be knowing what to do as well.
but it's like you know, but you don't know. You know what I'm saying? And it's easier when like you got something quick and easy to just show you real quick or like a quick little reference. Mm, Bitcoin is looking beautiful. I want to go look at Bitcoin now. When y'all want to check out other U.S. majors. I mean, we could check out EU and why EU decided they wanted to hit our fucking stop loss. I mean, the shit was respecting the 78686 so well at first, and then the shit just kept bouncing and bouncing and bouncing. Oh wait, no, it didn't hit no stop loss. We hit TP on this too. I'm tripping. Look at it. Yeah, it hit. Boom, 1, 2. I think that green is 2. Let me go see what it was. Should have been TP2. How many pips? 75, 125, and 140. Why not take it up to 140? Oh, up here to this one up here. I really could take it to the 786. I guarantee 786 is like, oh no, yeah. 786 is like right here, guaranteed. Okay. Um, we could look at this and why it continued to drop lower. But like I said before, when I very first looked at it for real, um, that's where it was. I'm like, when I first looked at it before, I was like, okay, it's respecting this zone here, so it could move higher. But 9 times out of 10, what did we do already? Yeah, that's a big ass gap. Oh, that was another thing. So not only do we have a break of structure here, but a big ass gap for a break of structure. Like, what the fuck is this? So I was like, oh yeah, I gotta trade this. Like I seen that gap and I saw an opportunity, no cap. So we took the gap. Basically, when you see a gap in the market has to. My fault, y'all. I'm tripping. I thought it was just a piece of paper, but I thought something was like crawling over there or something. But um, when you see a gap in the market, it has to cover that gap, like fill that gap. That's the price has to fill that gap. That gap in price has to be filled. I promise you. I promise you. I don't care if this market drops 500 pips after it makes that gap. It's gonna come back and cover that gap. But so what do we do? We found that 78686 zone, and excuse me, we got into the trade. I think we got in like right here. We was sweating down here. I ain't gonna lie, it took me another position, like somewhere up in here when it start coming back up. I'll be doing that sometimes. I'll let y'all know when I do it. Or if I'm like very confident in the trade, I definitely let y'all know when I do it. But oh, GU is looking beautiful. Good Lord. Thank you. Thank you, good Lord. Um, my fault, y'all. Seeing that trade and profit made me happy. Did I give them parameters? Yeah, I did. Did I give them the right ones? 70. Yeah. Okay. I just had to make sure. Notice I used the whole number just because I don't know. It's just something about it looks better. But
Damn, that's beautiful, bro. About to wake up to a little sleeping bag. A little sleeping bag. All right. What was I just? Where was I at? I was at AU. No, I was at EU. Yes, I was at EU. What was I saying about EU? The gap. So we had to fill this gap. So what did I do? I found the 786, 886, and I based my trade off that zone right there. But it's crazy, even though it came below that zone, it still made its way right back up. Why? Because we had that gap in the market. So, damn, we deep in profit. Golly, that boy moving. I told y'all that boy be moving, boy. I told y'all. I told y'all that boy be moving. But yeah, man, when y'all see this gap in the market, man, oh shit. When y'all see them EU, yeah, EU. When y'all see that gap, man, I'm telling y'all, find the opportunity. That's the market telling you, hey, come make some money. I'm telling you. And then what they do after that, start moving lower. So what could we do here? We could identify some structure here and see what it wants to do. But it's honestly not even at a point right now where I would want to mess with it for real. We're making some lows. We make this high. Boom. Low, high, boom, low. That's just noise in there. It's my 1 hour. Let me slide to this 15. If that thing just keeps dropping like that, I don't even know what to do with it. I would have to scalp that. I wouldn't even swing that junk or intraday that junk. Some of these moves be happening within a day, but a lot of them will wait about maybe a day or two. Sometimes we might hold that junk for a week. We might hold that joint for a week and catch a re-entry. Hold that joint for a week, smack all 3 TPs, and catch that joint again. But okay, bet. Um, I don't think I want to mess with this. EU is ugly. Maybe we'll look at it New York. I should work out pretty early in the morning, so I do need to be going to sleep soon. So I'll probably just go over Bitcoin next, and then that's it. But oh my, Bitcoin, do your thing, do your dance, Bitcoin. But um, I probably just go over Bitcoin and go to sleep because I probably get up early, go work out, and then after that trade. So let's take a look. Oh, what I really want to go over is the past couple trades because we did take a couple L's on Bitcoin. Let's see why. Honestly, I can't tell you. Low key, I can tell you why I took the setup. So we smacked here, boom. I took this setup because I seen the trend switch, but I think I based it on. Damn, I thought it was gonna send me over there. Based it on this. This right here. Oh. Maybe I was just late to the sell. I didn't want to miss it again because we missed that last sell. Um, this one, the very first sell down, which was very, very, very lucrative. Oh my lord, that thing was like 2,000, 3,000 pips. Lord, we would have got in up here. Oh my lord, even just taking it down here, that's 3,000. Um, but I was like, okay, bet this right here, and then what I do, once it made this low here after we had got in, uh, I marked up this zone and put the 786, 886. And that's when I sent to the Discord, moved this, and I told y'all I moved the stop loss above that zone. So I changed the stop loss on the trade. So if I say stop loss change, you got to look at the message of the signal because I edited the message, right? So the number will be different than the number that you put in if you put the number in, right? So just to be aware of that. That's what I meant when I said that. And then boom, we got the drop, caught all those pips there. Boom, I don't even remember how many it was. That was just a little trade I took with a student right there. And then this right here, boom. So what happened here is crazy, bro. Like, it's so crazy. So crazy. So what I do, you know me, I'm gonna do my thing. Trying to catch the sell because this market done been selling like a mug. So boom, marked up my 786, 886 zone based off this high and low here. Why? Because I'm trying to catch the down move. And or I'm actually in the wrong one too. My fault, y'all. This one. Right? Because I'm trying to catch the down move based off of this right here. No. I'm right. On the smaller time frame. That's why I'm confusing myself. I need to be in the small ass time frame. There we go. This is where I'm searching for that money entry. That little wick. That's how I caught this little wick up here. Well, that's how I knew, you know what I'm saying, it was going to hit that little wick up there. You know what I'm saying? It's that zone. So what happened? It gave me 1, it gave me 2, and it gave me 3. I was like, oh yeah, we're green. We touched profit a little bit. It wasn't nothing though. This is a small time frame, so it's probably like 50 pips at that. And 300 pips. Okay, that's nice. That's not bad. But that's low key one of Picasso rules. He used to say once you 300 pips in profit, move your stop loss to break even or in profit. But I hate doing that because Bitcoin just be moving a lot more than it used to. So like if you gonna have that rule, I would say have that rule at like 600 now. Once you 600 pips in profit, then move it to break even or in profit. But let's take a look. What did it do here? Honestly, I really can't tell you because I'm looking at it and I'm like, why did it? What was it looking for? Like, why did it come sweep this little high here? Was everybody thinking just like me? Is that what it was? Everybody was thinking like me? Because what did we get here? Boom. A series of really not until we broke out of here and actually went and hit stop loss, we start getting those series of higher highs and higher lows. And then boom, what did it do? Finally make the drop on us after taking us out the market. Even could I say this right here would be why? Right? If none of this happened yet, right? But this right here did. From the time we got into the trade to the 3 times it tapped that zone. Or I mean the 2 times. Yeah, 1, 2. I guess I would say 1, 2 times it tapped that zone. It didn't even come look at that 786 though. Made that low. That's no indication of, okay, I want to go down because we didn't even come close to it. So this was just like, I don't know what this was. Could I say it wanted to come and retest these levels here that it broke? Right? See these levels here that it broke? Could I say that that's what it wanted to do? I guess you could say that's what it wanted to do. And then sweep all these highs that it made, right? Take all that money in there. Because this ain't nothing but bread in here. You know what I'm saying? They got our ass. Ain't no telling who else they got. You know what I'm saying? So that's all they did was come. They swept that even. You know what I'm saying? So maybe that's what that was. Maybe that was just them, you know what I'm saying, getting their get back on us for getting our get back the last couple weeks. But let's go ahead and take a look at this one here too. So I got a small time frame breaker structure. It wasn't nothing crazy, but like I even marked up all this so I wouldn't forget. So let me see if I still remember. I might have forgot. I ain't gonna lie. But what did I get? I got oh, so as long as a little uptrend, boom, boom, boom. I low key remember. I think I remember. When did I send that Saturday? I think I remember this high here. And when I marked this up, 93. No, definitely on the 5. Because it even says 5 m. So this was my 886 from here. Oh shit. I'm grabbing the wrong tool, y'all. Mine need to go to sleep. From here to here. Or no, my fault. From here to here. There we go. Well, we broke that. I seen we broke that. But what do? We came back in there and we broke that structure. So this was the 5 minute 886 zone that I seen. We broke out of that on this small time frame, but we still failed to sweep these highs. So I'm like, okay, we should keep moving lower again. So I seen this smaller time frame breaker structure in here. We can move this zone out the way now that we know that that's what that is, right? This blue line right here. Is so if you take a look at the small time frame, see how these small time frames on the uptrend. This is a zone here, right? With this right here, I guess you could even call this one too the final low, but that was really the low that took out our small time frame structure, because if we put a line there on our small time frame, where I put that breaker structure line, I don't know why I had that shit so hot. That's it right here where the injury is at. But can I put it on that for you? Okay, well, I'm just gonna put another line there. Small time frame breaker structure there, boom. So I'm like, oh, okay, bet. You know what I'm saying? We green. And I waited. I waited for the retest. Boom, we got the retest. And it even came back above that breaker structure. But I saw it coming back down. So I'm like, okay, bet we can get in the trade. So the trade in literally like, what is that, 30 minutes? No, it was a good amount of time. It was a good amount of time. It was like 6 hours. 6 hours. I'm like, God damn, we hit stop loss already. So, of course, I had to work my magic and I had to find us a little opportunity for today. So, how did I find today's opportunity? Money. I want to come get that money. This is a 15 minute. So I set my alert up here just to let me know when they want to come get that money. And it's crazy because I thought I missed this zone. So I called the trade here. I called it like over here. What time was that? Maybe around 4. Let's go see what time that was. Maybe even earlier than that, like 2 or 3. Yeah, it was 2:30 when I sent that sell. So like I sent the sell. Why my time not right? Oh, that was yesterday. My fault. Not today. Today was at 5. Okay, that makes more sense. I'm like, whoa, hold on. My time on my trading view not right. So 5:15, boom, right here. This candle. Right before this candle ended, I seen this red candle and I was like, oh damn, I missed it. That shit bounced right off the EMA and came right back up to that zone. And I low key, like, it's crazy because my first line was like, set the limit order and just send a limit order. But I didn't want the same shit that happened when we set this limit order up here to happen. Or where was it? Up here on that buy side liquidity. So I was like, okay, we got more buy side liquidity again. I could set the limit order. But I was like, nah, I want the same shit to happen. And it came up there, stopped out. It low key stopped out my first 2 trades. But I went ahead and I was like, hey, fuck that. It ain't do nothing but do what I low key thought it was gonna do. So that was just the market slapping me in the face and telling me like, stick to your. You got rules. Like make rules for yourself to this shit and stick to them. Like for real, and stick to them. Shit like this happens when you don't. But that was the market telling me, nigga, stick to your rules. So I fucking got right back in the trade, and now look at us. We getting paid. We catching the move, and we learned our lesson. We sticking to our rules. But GU is looking freaking beautiful. Good lord, I think it's dropping. About to get paid on that. So both trades are in profit, man. I appreciate y'all for tapping in with your boy. I know it's getting late. I've been on here an hour already. I hope y'all got some sauce. I hope I made some light bulbs flicker tonight. Uh, Much appreciation to you, those of you who did hop on here and show some love. But y'all have a blessed night. It's AJ Benz, and I'm out.